Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel for what is going to be a quickie. I was repairing this huge solar inverter board when I came across these X2 safety capacitors. They're quite big, 4.7 microfarads, and they come with all specs and certifications and everything. Their purpose is to be in parallel with mains, so you connect live and neutral and you can have it like that. In our case, in the solar inverter board, it was in series with the transformers and the input actually of the AC part of the inverter, and I noticed one of them was not actually charging, or was charging very slowly using the multimeter, not the ESR tester. And I removed them. You can see they are epoxy potted in this whole thing. A bit discolored, a bit brownish, maybe some stress marks there, but nothing really that odd. But this one was a bit bulging. I noticed that afterwards, but as soon this one was the one that was of course charging slowly, and look what I found underneath. Look at that. It has spilled its guts outside. The epoxy resin has broken. I mean, I've never seen anything like that. And this really measures just open at the moment, but let's take a look at this thing. I mean, it is really melted and so thick, you cannot really break that. Let me try. Oops, sorry guys, I bump the camera sometimes. So this looks really like melted lava that has hardened. It is as hard really as the epoxy resin. I thought it would come out, but there is no way that this will separate. Absolutely no way. Wow, that's really sad capacitor, and the purpose of those is that they never get sorted. Actually, that's their goal. Even if they fail, that they should fail open, just like this one. Look at this piece that has broken out of the epoxy resin. I don't know now this could be a manufacturer fault, or I really have no idea, or it was very stressed. But the thing is that all the capacitors were quite low in capacitance. Just trying to get this thing to separate, but I mean, oh, nope, just a very small piece that was actually above the epoxy resin. I wonder if it is full of this thing inside, which looks very strong. There is no way I could leave it like this. We have to cut it in the middle. So let's start and see what we get. I will hold the trash can underneath. Maybe a mask would be appropriate for this. I have to clamp it a little bit better. Now let's take a look. So it does look that it broke here, everything was melted and it got spilled on the outside. Same thing here. Back to the video. So I found this very strange. I wanted to share it with you. I mean, I've never seen anything like that. The board doesn't show any signs of stress or pressure or whatever, but this thing, I mean, something went really bad with it. That was all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button if you found this video interesting, and please consider subscribing for more. See you on the next one. Bye.